Okay, so I'm testing everything out in the studio. I am actually catching up on other YouTube channels' videos. And I'm trying to brainstorm and it's not happening because my mind's just everywhere. So now it's time to focus. I don't even know how I look with this light above me because it's very yellow. I should actually go buy some LED lights and then switch all the lights in here to LED. So this way here, it'll be just like my studio and it won't be crazy weird white light to this ugly Dulgen green. Why did I say green? Yellow light. Alright, so it's actually a very They're kind of excited to be outside. So I'm gonna clean this deck off, eat some lunch, and let's do this. So the flowers are finally coming up and I started raking finally. That should have been done 6 months ago, but I'm doing it now. But at least it's warm weather. Alright, so I just figured out I'm gonna try and do my living room / studio a little bit different. Let's see how it works. Alright, so I don't know how this is looking on this camera, but it actually looks good on the other camera. And maybe will just do it like this, maybe? Let's see how it looks. Not gonna lie, it actually looks like a two-tone wall because it's directly in the corner. But hey, it actually works. And this corner's very available for all my stuff, so I can just leave it there. And then, yeah. Woo! I'm so ready to film more. So the dogs are literally like laying down on the deck, sunbathing. Watch this. Crazy dogs, but oh well. At least it's nice out. And catching some sun. Yeah. Totally filming at night for another project. So here we go. And record.
And then you're gonna comment close?
I'm gonna cut your chocolate.